Hello everyone, welcome to the new session today. Again, as usual, I am solving important MCQs. I am solving important MCQs for the upcoming CBSE board exam, maths exam. Okay. The first question, again, the question is from polynomials. Okay. As usual, I will try to solve the questions in a much shorter time. Okay, without wasting time, so that students must optimize the time for solving MCQs. Because time is a very important resource in maths exam. Therefore, I try to solve using shortcuts rather than detailed solutions, right? Okay. Now, the first question is from polynomial topic. The first question is from polynomial topic, right? The number of polynomials having zeros minus 3 and 5. Okay, remember the number of polynomials having zeros minus 3 and 5. We can find on polynomial, for example, x plus 3 into x minus 5, right? I'll find on polynomial. Okay, this is one polynomial, first polynomial. If I simplify it, it's a polynomial. Okay, but for any polynomial, I can multiply with any constant. For example, like 4 into x plus 3 into x plus x minus 5. This is second polynomial. Again, third polynomial. I can go on multiplying with any constant. I'll get a new polynomial. Therefore, I can form infinite polynomials with given two zeros, right? Whatever degree it is, I can form infinite polynomials. Remember, I can form infinite polynomials, right? I can form infinite polynomials. Therefore, the answer is infinite. See, remember, don't write one polynomial, because I can multiply a polynomial with any constant. The zeros won't change. The zeros won't change. Therefore, very important point, I can form infinite polynomials using given two zeros, right? Okay. Next question, right? Next question. The pair of equations ax 3x, here a1 is a, a2 is 3, right? a1 is a, a2 is 3, a2 is 3, represent parallel lines, right? If they are parallel lines, then b1 is 2, c1 is, b2 is b, right? Don't worry about c1 and c2 here, not necessary. c1 by c2 is, they are 9 by 2, right? They're not necessary here. They asked where represent the parallel lines if the given condition, right? Now, for parallel lines, I need to have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, right? For parallel lines, I should have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, right? Okay. Now, a1 is a, a2 is 3, right? And b1 is 2 and b2 is b. Cross multiply here, ab is equal to 3 2s are 6, right? 3 2s are 6. A very easy question. Option D. Option D. The previous question was option B, right? Okay. Next question. The common difference of the AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3n plus 7. The nth term is given here, an. Therefore, an is equal to 3n plus 7, right? An is equal to 3n plus 7. Therefore, a1 is equal to, I will substitute n is equal to 1 here. First term is 3 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. Is equal to 10, right? Is equal to 10. Next, a2 is equal to, I substitute, one moment, I substitute, just a camera angle here. Okay, one moment. Now A2 is equal to I substitute n is equal to 1 here. I will substitute n is equal to 1 here. A2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 7 is 13. Now therefore common difference is A2 minus A1 is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. 13 minus 10 is equal to 3, right? Hope it is very clear. Again a very easy question. Right? Okay, 2 minutes. Just I'll adjust the camera angle here. Yes. Next question. Hope it is very clear. The solution is very simple here. Therefore, the option is B. Since D is 3 here, the option is B. Right? The option is B. Right? Okay. Next question. In the given figure, D is parallel to BC. In the given figure, D is parallel to, it's a triangle ABC here. It's a triangle topic. D is parallel to BC. Therefore, I can write by BPT. I can write. No, don't need to write the BPT theorem, etc. Here, unnecessary steps. AB by AD is equal to. I can write directly BC by D, right? Okay, because ultimately I have to find BC here. AB is 2 plus 3, that is 5, and AD is 2 centimeter here. BC is X and D is 4, right? I'll send this 4 this side. 5 by 2 into 4 is equal to X. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore, X is 10 centimeter, right? X is 10 centimeter, right? X is 10 centimeter. Again, a very easy question by BPT. I can write here. In the exam, no need to mention these steps because it's 1 marks question. You can directly write X is equal to 10 centimeter. You will get full marks. Therefore, it is option D. Right? It's option D. Okay. Next question. A quadratic equation whose roots are, again this is from quadratic equation topic. See here. Remember this question, some students will get confused. Okay, they try to solve using with factors here. It won't work out easily. Therefore, use this method what I am telling. Okay. Now, I know this is alpha. I'll assume alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 here and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3, right? The two roots are alpha and beta. I'll assume this as alpha and this as beta. Clear? Okay. Now alpha plus beta is what here? Alpha plus beta is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, right? Root 3 is cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, right? 2 plus 2 is 4, okay? Now, product of roots, alpha beta. Alpha beta is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, right? A square minus root 3 whole square, a square minus b square. A square is 4 and b square is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore, I know to write the polynomial when I know product of zeros and sum of zeros, right? That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x. This is a formula to write polynomial when I know sum of zeros and product of zeros, right? Now x square minus alpha plus beta is sum of zeros is 4 here minus 4x plus alpha beta is 1. Alpha beta is 1, right? Hope it is very clear. Again a very easy question. See here, don't try to solve other ways because you will end up with confusion. Okay, try to use the method I have shown here, right? Because we have to add sum of, when I add it will be easier, right? Because root 3 and root 3 are cancelled. Therefore, this is much easier method. This is actually correct way of solving this problem, right? This is actually a correct way of solving this problem, right? Okay. Next question. If tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Now given here tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Remember tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Using a triangle, I can draw a triangle here and find sin theta and cos theta. But you can also divide this entire equation by either cos theta or sin theta. I will divide this entire equation by sin theta, right? Now I will divide the entire equation by cos theta here. I'll divide this entire equation by cos theta, right? Sin theta by cos theta. Why? Because sin by cos is tan. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. See here, all the terms should be divided here. I divide entire term by cos theta here. Whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Right? Whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Minus cos theta by cos theta, right? Now sin by cos is tan theta is equal to cos by cos is 1 and sin by cos is as usual again tan theta minus 1. Cos by cos is 1, right? Therefore, now I know tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12 plus 1 whole divided by 5 by 12 minus 1. I will write this as 1 by 1 here. Therefore, LCM will be easier. The LCM is 12. 12 ones are 1 12s are 5 plus 12 whole divided by again LCM is 12 here. 12 ones are 1 12s are, right? Therefore, it is 5 minus 12. 5 plus 12 is 17 by 12 and 5 minus 12 is minus 7 by 12, right? 12 is cancelled out. Therefore, the solution is 17 by minus 7 or minus 17 by 7. Therefore, it is option A. Therefore, it is option A, right? Very easy question again. You can draw a triangle also here. For example, you can draw a triangle like this. This is theta 5 by 12 because tan theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is 5, this is 12 and this is 13 here because Pythagorean triplet. You can find sin theta and cos theta here. Both methods are both methods are complicated here. Both methods are not easy. Okay, it takes time. Use this method, it is much easier, right? You don't try to divide by sin theta here because I need to again find cot theta here, right? Again, anyway, cot theta is 12 by 5. Again, it's an easy method. Okay. Next question. The distance between the points PQ. Now, PQ is equal to, see here, don't try to write the formula here of distance formula because it is not necessary. It is 1 mark question. Don't waste time on writing the formula. Now it is minus sign, therefore same sign gets subtracted here. 11 by 3 minus 2 by 3, right? Whole square. Now 5 minus 5 is 0, therefore plus 0 square, right? Now 11 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is what? 9 by 3 whole square plus 0 is equal to 3 square is equal to 3 units, right? Is equal to 3 units. Again, a very easy question. Remember, minus and minus, they are same signs. When they have same signs in the coordinates get subtracted, right? Okay. Therefore, don't write minus of minus, all those things. You'll end up with mistakes. Okay. Try to do this method while applying distance formula. When they have same signs, it is subtraction. When they have opposite signs, it is addition. Plus 5 same signs. Therefore, 5 minus 5 is 0 square, right? Again, a very easy question. From distance formula. Okay. Many students end up in mistakes while solving this, while simplifying these steps. Okay. Therefore, perfect your basics. Okay. Perfect your basics, right? Next question. In the given figure, AB is equal to BC is equal to 10. AB is equal to 10 here. BC is equal to 10 here. Let Therefore, if AB is 10, let I will take AP as x here. Therefore, AR is equal to x, right? AP is equal to x, therefore AR is equal to x, because tangent drawn from external point, right? Tangent drawn from external point are equal, right? Tangent drawn from external point are equal. Therefore, I will take AP as x. Now, since AB is equal to 10, therefore BP is equal to 10 minus, AB is 10 here, AP is x here. Therefore, BP is equal to 10 minus x, right? BP is equal to 10 minus x. Therefore, BP is equal to 10 minus x. Therefore, BQ is also 10 minus x, right? BQ is also 10 minus x, because BP is equal to BQ. Tangent drawn from external point B. BP is equal to BQ. Therefore, it is again 10 minus x. Now, observe very carefully here. BC is 10. BC is 10 here. If I assume, and AC is 7, if this is x, RC is 7 minus x, right? RC is 7 minus x, because AC is x, AR is x, AC is 7 here. Therefore, RC is equal to 7 minus x. Now, QC is equal to 7 minus x, right? Because CR is equal to CQ, tangent drawn from external point Q. Therefore, QC is also 7 minus x. But I know BC is equal to 10. I know BC is equal to 10 here. I know BC is equal to 10 centimeter, right? But BC is equal to what here? 10 minus x plus 7 minus x. BC is equal to 10 minus x plus 7 minus x, right? Is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 2x is equal to 10. I will send this 2x that side, 10 this side, right? 17 minus 10 is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 by 2 or 3.5 centimeter, right? Very easy question. Remember, I assumed AP as x. Therefore, AB is equal, BP is equal to 10 minus x. BQ is also 10 minus x. Since AC is 7, it is given AC is 7 here. AC is 7 here. If AR is equal to x, therefore RC is equal to 7 minus x, right? RC is equal to 7 minus x. Therefore, QC is also 7 minus x. A very simple question, but it takes time here as usual. It takes time. It takes time here as usual. Be careful with this. Next question. Next question, options. Next question. They asked, sorry, no, it's not option A here. It's not option A here, because they asked, what here? I found out AC now. They asked BP here, right? Therefore, BP is equal to 10 minus x. Okay. 10 minus 3.5, right? Is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Because they asked BP here, not x here, right? X is 3.5. Therefore, BP is 10 minus x. 10 minus 3.5 is 6.5. Therefore, it is option C. Therefore, it is option C, right? Okay. Now, water in a river which is 3 meters deep. See here, when you say river, it is a cube here. I assume it as a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is what? LBH. LBH. I will take depth 3 meter dips. 3 meter deep means H is equal to 3 meters, right? H is equal to 3 meters, right? 40 meters wide. I will take breadth as 40 meters. Now, we have to find length here. They given the rate of flow 2 kilometers per hour. I have to find how much water will fall into sea in 2 minutes, right? Now, getting this 2 kilometers per hour in minutes is an important task here. Now, assume 2 kilometers per hour, right? That is 2000 meters per hour, right? 2000 meters per 60 minutes, right? Therefore, 2000 by therefore both sides I divide by both sides I divide by 30 here. 2000 by 30, 60 by 30, right? Okay, because I need to get in I need to get for 2 minutes, right? Therefore 60 by 30 is 2 minutes. That's why I'm dividing by 30. If it is 1 minute, I should divide by 60, right? Therefore 2000 by 30 in 2 minutes, right? Therefore I assume length as what here? 0 0 cancel. 200 by 3 meters. 200 by 3 meters. I assume length as 200 by 3 meters, right? I assume here I converted flow rate into length here. I have converted flow rate into length here. Therefore volume is equal to LBH is equal to length is 200 by 3, height is breadth is 40 and height is 3 meters, right? The reverse height is 3 meters. Deep means height here. 3 is cancelled. 200 into 4, 2 4s are 8, it is 8000 meter cube, right? Therefore answer is option C. Answer is option C, right? Answer is option C. Okay. Next question. This is a straightforward question from statistics here. If the mean and median of a data are 12 and 15 centimeter, right? If the mean and median of a data are 12 and 15 centimeter, then we have to find mode here. Now we know mode. Mode is equal to, from empirical relationship, mode is equal to 3 median into 3 median minus 2 mean, right? Minus 2 mean, right? Minus 2 mean, right? Minus mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now I know the mean as 12 here and median as 15 here. 3 into median, that is 3 into median, 3 15s are minus 2 into mean is 12 here. 15 3s are 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24 is 21. Therefore it is option B. Option B. Again a very easy question. Hope it is very clear. Next question. See, we have to remember this formula. In the exam, usually the questions are asked from this formula. Sometimes, many times, not sometimes, many times, right? 11th question. In the given figure, AB is a tangent to a circle. That is the question from circle here. AB is a tangent. Okay, AB is a tangent, right? If OA is equal to 6 centimeter, and OAB is 30 degree, we have to use trigonometric relations here. We have to find radius. What here? Radius. That is OB. I have to find OB. Since OB is perpendicular to AB, that is radius is perpendicular to tangent, right? Therefore triangle OAB, OBA is a right angle triangle, right? And OA is 6 centimeter here, because OB is perpendicular to tangent AB, right? Therefore OB is right angle triangle. I know OA, I know one angle here. Therefore we have to use trigonometry here, otherwise it is not possible, right? Now I know OA, I have to find radius OB, right? Therefore hypotenuse and opposite side. Therefore I use sine relation here. Sine 30 is equal to OB upon OA. Sine 30 is equal to OB upon OA, right? Sine 30 I know half, OB I don't know, OA as 6 centimeter, right? Therefore, OB is equal to 6 by, I cross multiply here, OB is equal to 6 by 2, that is OB is equal to 3 centimeter, right? A very easy question. A very easy question. OB is equal to 3 centimeter, right? Hope it is very clear. Very easy question, right? See, we have to use obviously trigonometry here because I know one side, I know one angle. We cannot use conventional Pythagoras theorem etc. to solve this. I should use trigonometry here because I know one angle and one side, right? Next 12th question. 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree, right? Just substitute the values here. 2 into tan 30 I know 1 by root 3, right? Tan 30 I know 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3, right? I take LCM here. 2 by root 3. I'll take LCM here. Whole divided by 3 upon 1 3 is a 3 1s are 3 plus 1 here. 2 by root 3 upon 4 upon 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4, right? Into 3 by 4. Now I can write 3 as 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? 1, and I can write 3 as root 3, 1 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3 into 2, right? Root 3 is cancelled. Ultimately what is left with here? Root 3 upon 2. Now I know root 3 upon 2 is equal to sin 60 or cos 30, right? Or cos 30, right? Since if we check the option, it is option A only. There is no cos 30 here. Therefore, is option A, right? There are direct formulas are there in PUC. You learn in class 11. 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 is sine of 2A, right? And here A is 30 degree. Therefore, it is sine 60 degree. In the PUC, you learn this identity. There you can use this direct identity to solve the problem, right? If you want, you can remember 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to sine of 2A. If this is 30 degree, it is 60 degree, right? Sine of 2A is 60 degree. You can remember this identity, but I don't want to remember this identity. You can just substitute the values and get the final answer, right? It's not a difficult question here. It's not a difficult question. Okay, it's a very easy question. It's a very easy question, right? Why remember extra identities? To solve the problems. Anyways, these identities will come in PUC, right? You can remember that time. Okay. Now, next question. In triangle ABC, and triangle DEF, AB by DE, therefore I will take D here. AB by D is equal to BC by FD. You can take DEF here, right? Now I know AB by D is equal to, see, this is from similar triangles concept. AB by D is equal to BC by FD. BC by FD, right? Which of the following makes the two triangles similar? See here, we have to use SAS similarity rule here, right? For SAS similarity rule, we know corresponding side and included angle. Here angle B should be equal to what? Angle D, right? For DE and DF, the included angle is D. For AB and BC, the included angle is B. In the exam, don't write angle B is equal to angle E. 100% 0 marks, right? 100% 0 marks. Observe here, AB, BC, the included angle is angle B. DE and DF, the included angle is D, right? Therefore, the answer is angle B is equal to angle D, right? In the exam, don't write directly B is equal to E. If you write this option, 0 marks, right? Okay, the answer is angle B is equal to angle D. Don't make mistake in the exam, okay? Because observe it very carefully. They won't give very straightforward question in the exam because you are writing a mathematics standard paper, not a mathematics basic paper, right? Therefore, the questions will be slightly tricky, not straightforward. Sometimes it might be straightforward also, but don't think that all the questions will be straightforward, right? Some of the questions will have some trick behind it, okay? Next question. The 11th term from the end of an AP, 10, 7, 4. See here you have to find n. Here you have to find n. And then we have to find last term, that is 11th, last term, that is 11th from the last, right? It takes lot of time. But for me, the very easy method is what? Minus 62. If you observe it very carefully, there is only one negative term here. Therefore, you can directly write it is option C. Otherwise, you can go on verifying. It's option C because all the values are positive. The common difference is 3 here. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Minus 62 plus 30 is what? Minus 32. Otherwise, you can use this trick here. Sir, I don't want to take risk in the exam. The first term is minus 62 from last, right? The next term is minus 59, minus 56, minus 53, minus 50, minus 47, minus 44, minus 41, minus 38, minus 35, minus 32. You can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is minus 32. Also, you can imagine here minus 62, the only negative term is minus 32. You can directly write this option, but you want to verify, you can do like this. Okay. Otherwise, we have to find using AP. See here, in the exam, they won't ask you what method used to find for MCQs, right? A is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 3. We have to find number of terms. Then you have to find the 11th term from the last. But if you observe options, the answer is straightforward, minus 32. You will save a lot of time in the exam because time is very precious, right? Time is very precious in the exam, right? Okay, next question. Next question. Again, straightforward question. See here, use in the Kannada it is called Javari tricks here. Don't use some brain here. Try to solve the questions. Don't use all the formulas and solve for MCQs, right? In the MCQs, no need to use the formulas. No one asks you whether you use the formula or not in the MCQs, right? Therefore, try to make and get solution much faster way, right? Don't use all the formulas etc. in APs. You can directly get the answer sometimes, right? Okay, next question. Two coins are tossed together. Therefore, the possible options are here. Favorable outcomes are HH, TT, HT, HT, right? The probability of getting a very straightforward question and a very easy question here. The probability of getting at least one tail. Remember, at least one tail. This is two tails here, therefore it is definitely one tail. This is one tail here, definitely one tail. At least one tail. This also definitely one tail, right? There are no tails here. Therefore, total outcomes are 4. Favorable outcomes are 3. Therefore, answer is 3 by 4. Again, a very straightforward question. Again, a very straightforward question here, right? Very easy question also. In the exam, don't waste time much on these probability questions. They are very easy usually. Okay, next question. In the figure, AC and AB are tangents. AC and AB are tangents. This is from circle theorem number 2, right? Okay. Now you know this angle, that is BAC. BAC plus angle BOC. They are supplementary, right? is equal to 180, right? Because this is 90 and this is 90, right? They are supplementary. Now these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent right here. By RHS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. You already saw it in theorem. Therefore, if this angle is 120, this angle should be 60 degree. Therefore, this angle should be also 60 degree. Total angle is 120. That is BOC is 120. Therefore, BAC is what? BAC is, angle BAC is 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Therefore, this entire angle is 60 degree. Therefore, this angle should be 30 degree, right? They asked BAO, this entire angle is 60. Since these two triangles are congruent, therefore this angle is 30 degree, right? Therefore option A. Clear? Remember, BAC and BOC are supplementary. Remember, BAC and BOC are supplementary, and these two triangles are congruent. Therefore this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is entire angle is 60 degree. Therefore this smaller angle is 30, this smaller angle is also 30 degree, right? Okay. Next question. Which of the following numbers cannot be the probability of a happening of an event? Again a probability question. The probability lies between 0 to 1, right? This is fine. 7 by 0.01 is what? It's definitely greater than 1, right? Therefore this is not a probability of an event. 0.07 is fine. 0.07 by 3 is less than 1. This is also fine. Therefore it is option B. Option B. Since yes cannot be probability, therefore it is option B, right? Okay. Again a very easy question. Again a very easy question, right? Okay, from probability. Hope you understood. Next question. If every term of a statistical data consisting of n terms is decreased by 2, then mean of the data is also decreased by 2, right? You might be thinking why. For example, take some data here, right? 1, 3, 5. What is the mean here? 1 plus 3 plus 5. The mean is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9 by 3 is equal to 3. The mean is 3 here. If I decrease each value by 2, right? 1 becomes 1 minus 2 is minus 2. Sorry, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? 3, I decrease each value by 2 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 by 3. The mean is what here? 1. Since there are 3 data, I have taken divided by 3 here. Remember, you can take some example and verify your answer, right? Now the mean is decreased by what? This is mean. Mean is decreased by 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, it is option A. In the exam, if the mean is decreased, if each value is decreased by 2, the mean is also decreased by 2. If each value is increased by 2, the mean is also increased by 2. Right? This is a very simple trick to remember this statistics question. Right? You can take any example and verify the answer here, right? Hope you understood. Hope you found all these questions useful. I'll bring up more questions tomorrow. Watch out my channel and subscribe. Okay. Best of luck for your exams.